Hi, welcome to CLAT chat. Actually, today little bit delay because of Mahasivaratri. Happy Mahasivaratri to all of you. Actually, today I don't want to focus on some other aspects that which are very important to you because of already 1 hour delay. So I will directly come to the class. Today the class is family law. This is very important to the class students. Not only to the class students, this is very important to lawyers also. Why? Because many of the lawyers are surviving in family courts only. Because nowadays the disputes related to family are growing day by day, day by day, day by day. What is the reason? That everyone knows that because we are seeing regularly in all the media as well as in our personal issues also, as well as with our friends and friends' homes, and also with our relatives' homes, and also and many everywhere we are finding all these type of issues related to the families. You see, what are the issues are connected or related to the family laws? What type of family laws are there? And what are the sections deals with the important aspects of the family laws? That is very important, and maximum questions are asking from this only. So first you see family laws. There are many acts are there on family laws, such as Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Hindu Marriage Act 1955, as well as the Muslim law of marriage. It is known as Shariat. This is also another act. And third one, the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. And the fifth one, Special Marriage Act. And also Foreigners Marriage Act. And other one, Indian Christian Marriage Act. Like that, many acts are there. All these acts are connected and related to first one divorce and child custody, and third one alimony or maintenance, and fourth one adoption, etc. Means in the CLAT examination he may ask the question as what are the issues deals by the family laws. First one, divorce, and he may give the other options. Second one, child options as the right answer, and he may give the next three wrong answers. And the third one, alimony or maintenance, and the next one is adoption. These are the issues. These are the subjects, main issues connected to and related to the family laws. So main family laws means if there is a purpose of divorce, the family law must be, means family law deals with the divorce matters. Means if any of the wife and husband are interested to go for divorce, they have to follow the family law. That is very, very much important. So if they are Hindus, they will follow the Hindu Marriage Act. If they are Christian, they will follow the Indian Christian Marriage Act. Otherwise, they will follow the Special Marriage Act. If different marriages means different caste wife and husband means, or different religious wife and husband means, they will follow the Special Marriage Act. Like that, what the act they will follow, that is separate, but they have to follow the family laws. And if we take the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, what are the important sections are there in this act? That is very much important to us. Why? Because here I am not going in a detailed way as I am giving the teaching for the regular students, because you are going to the CLAT examination, means it is the competitive examination. So here in this class means just I am taking a class for the time of 15 minutes. Within this 15 minutes, I want to cover maximum questions from this chapter. Means 1 mark can change the thousands of rank in the national wide competitive examination. So within this 15 minutes, if you can able to increase at least to 5 marks or up to 5 marks, I will feel very much happy, and also this shall be very much useful to us. So I am focusing on the only important aspects which are coming in the CLAT examinations followed by the previous examination papers. So before giving this class, I am following the previous examination papers of the CLAT examinations. What type of questions he is asking and what type of topics we have to discuss, like that. So if I go in detail, already I need not what is the teach is that this definition and something else, because already you are preparing regularly, as well as already you learned in your board, that is the college level. So here what type of questions are coming, what are the important sections, or what are the important hints, or what type of questions are coming from this chapter, that I will explain you, as well as I will tell you how the questions will be asked in various types. You see, Hindu Marriage Act means, already I told you, all the family laws related to divorce, child custody, alimony, as well as maintenance and adoption. So first one is divorce. According to the Hindu Marriage Act, section 13 deals with divorce. I repeat, according to Hindu Marriage Act 1955, section 13 deals with the divorce. Divorce are 2 types. Means, first one, you can file the divorce on cruelty grounds. Otherwise, you can file the divorce on mutual consent. Mutual consent. If you want to file the divorce petition on the cruelty grounds, you have to file that petition under section 13. If you want to file the divorce petition on mutual consent, you have to file the divorce petition under section 13B. You have to remember the difference between these two. Section 13B deals with the divorce on mutual consent. Section 13 deals with the divorce in Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Now, I am coming. Already I told you that there are 2 types of divorce are there. What type of divorce are there means, if the husband is supporting the wife, or the wife is supporting the husband, if both are interested, both are agreed to go for divorce, then they have to file the petition for divorce under section 13B. It is known as mutual consent divorce. If either of them opposed the divorce, means if the wife is interested to take the divorce but husband is not interested, then wife can file the divorce petition under the cruelty grounds. Under the cruelty grounds. What are the cruelty grounds? That already you know. There are 2 types of cruelties, mental cruelty or physical cruelty. What are the cruelties, and everybody already you learned, so I need not explain you. So, cruelty means if only one, either wife or the husband, going to file the divorce petition without the consent of the second one, it is known as the divorce petition under cruelty grounds. If both are agreed for the divorce and both are on the same consent, they can file the writ petition, that is divorce petition under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Next one is that section 14. Section 14. What is this section 14 means? Can you explain about the section 14? That is the descriptive question. But how the question shall be asked in the CLAT examination means, under which section of Hindu Marriage Act a couple can approach the court for divorce within 1 year of the marriage. Within 1 year of the marriage. Means, according to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, no one can file the divorce within 1 year of the marriage. Within 1 year of the marriage. That is section 14 tells. But if there is an exceptional hardship, what to do? Means, okay, according to the section 14 of the Hindu Marriage Act, within 1 year, no one has to file the divorce petition. That is very good. At least 1 year they will live happily. That is the aim of the act writers. We appreciate them and also we have to honor them. That is our duty. And the second one is, if there is any exceptional hardship, means, you see, the husband may be killed anyone and he may face the life imprisonment. Otherwise, the husband may be try to attempt to kill the wife, attempt to murder. And third one, the husband may be cheated the wife or in the vice versa. So, in the case of exceptional hardship, what to do? So, if there is any exceptional hardship, the couple can file the divorce petition. Means, either of the wife or husband, either of them, either the wife or the husband can file the divorce petition even within 1 year of the marriage under section 14 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. This is section 14 tells. So, if there is any exceptional hardship, either the wife or the husband can file the divorce petition under section 14. Next one is section 25. Section 25 deals the permanent alimony or monthly maintenance. Recently, there is a judgment of Supreme Court. How much is the permanent maintenance or how much is the monthly maintenance? There is a confusion. According to the latest judgment of the Supreme Court, 25% of the husband's property, means value of the property, can be given as permanent, either permanent alimony or the monthly maintenance to the wife, other than 15% to the children if there are. Means, if the monthly income of a husband is 1 lakh, he must pay 25,000 rupees as monthly maintenance to his wife. As well as if there is no monthly income, and if the total value of the property of the husband is 1 crore, then he must pay 25 lakhs as permanent alimony to the wife according to the latest judgment of the Supreme Court. So, in the CLAT examination, he may ask the question to you as, which section deals with the permanent alimony or the monthly maintenance in Hindu Marriage Act 1955? Right answer is section 25. Section 25. Section 14 related to within 1 year, divorce within 1 year of the marriage. Section 25 deals permanent alimony or monthly maintenance. Now, the next section is section 26. It is related to the custody of the children. Custody of the children is also very much important. Here, in the past examination papers I observed, nearly since the last 10 years papers I observed, within these 10 years, nearly 2 to 3 times he asked about this question, that which section of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with the child custody? Section 26. Section 26. Means, you see, once there is divorce is granted, if the couple has children, then the question will rise that where the children must be there, either with the husband or with the wife, or either with the mother or with the father. That is the question. So here, based on many circumstances, court will observe what is the financial capacity of the wife and what is the financial capacity of the husband, and where the children's life shall be in a protective position. Who can take care of the husband, means children well? If the wife is facing any some psychological disturbances, then the priority will be given to the husband or the father. So, like that, many issues court will observe, and also court will consider the opinion of the children also. After considering the opinion of the children, as per the act, the court will decide that under which custody the children shall be. But here, according to the Hindu Marriage Act, Section 26 deals with the child custody. He may ask the question to you in the coming CLAT examination as, which issue deals by Section 14 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? A. That is monthly maintenance. B. Permanent alimony. C. Child custody. D. All. Here you may confuse that it is a Hindu Marriage Act, so all these deals with the Hindu marriage, Hindu family law, so D is right. No, wrong. Child custody deals by the Section 26 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. This is very much important. You have to remember. And the next one is Section 27. It is related to disposal of properties. Means at the time of marriage, after the marriage, maybe many of the properties either in the name of joint or in the name of the wife with the with the financial support of the husband, or in the name of the husband with the financial support of the wife. Like that, some issues may be there, or it may be given as a gift at the time of marriage. So, how the properties shall be disposed, or how the properties shall be distributed, this section deals. Section 27 deals with the disposal of properties. Disposal of properties in Hindu Marriage Act 1955. And the next one is that Section 28. Section 28 deals with appeals. Means, already if you filed a petition for the divorce, but court, dismissed divorce petition. So, where you have to go for appeal. If you are not satisfied with the judgment passed by the family court, you asked for some, maintenance, or some of the alimony under Section 25. But court did not, satisfy you, or court order, you did not satisfy with the court order, then you have to prefer an appeal, where you have to file. But here, there is no appeal against the caste. But if you are not happy with the family court's decree or the order, you can choose the appeal, or you can prefer the appeal within 90 days, before the High Court. So, here you have to remember that Section 28 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with the appeals. In the appeal, can be preferred within 90 days only. Within 90 days only, according to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. But in means there is a according to the Limitation Act, there is a condonation delay facility is also there. So if you means any little bit delay is there, that is means 120 days or 100 days, you can file a petition. Means you can file the appeal along with the condonation delay petition also. That is a different case. That is different case. So here, what are the sections? Important section means, I repeat the topic once again. Section 13 deals with the divorce in Hindu Marriage Act 1955. However, if the divorce filed under mutual consent, it must be filed under section 13B. Means section 13B deals with the divorce under mutual consent, and section 14 deals with the divorce within 1 year of the marriages. Divorce within 1 year of the marriages. It is also called as permission petition to file the divorce petition. Generally, if you become a lawyer, then you can understand that simply when you file a petition for the divorce within 1 year, if there is means under section 13, they will ask that where is the permission petition. But you may get confused, what is the permission petition? Means you have to file the permission petition under section 14 to file the divorce petition. If the divorce, you are filing the divorce within 1 year of the marriage on the grounds of exceptional hardship. Exceptional hardship. That is very much important. And the next one is section 25. Section 25 deals with permanent alimony and monthly maintenance. Next, section 26 deals with custody of the children, and section 27 deals with the disposal of properties, and section 28 deals with the appeal against decree or order under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. How many days, within how many days you can go for appeal against an order passed by the family court under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? That is the question. You have to remember that within 90 days. If a wife want to file a petition after 90 days from the date of order or decree, her financial support did not support her to go for appeal in the High Court within 90 days. When she met an advocate told her that she can file even after 90 days. Under which provision she can file? He may ask the question in such way also. Then you have to answer that along with the condonation delay petition. So this is what we learned today about the family laws, and next class very shortly I will come on live next Friday sharply at 8 p.m. Till then, you may prepare well, and this is very much important topic. Nearly 2 to 3 questions you will get. One question may increase your rank. 1 mark may increase your rank. So 1 mark also very much important. So all these sections what I teach you today are very important sections. So remember, and have a nice day. Enjoy the festival. Bye bye. We will meet in the next class. Bye, all of you.